Alright, in this video we're going to be milling the bottom plate. So let's grab some material. Now the bottom plate doesn't have any sort of standard for having scratches or anything like that, so any plate will do. But if you happen to find a really nice gouge in one, use that one for a bottom plate. Alright. So we're going to set it down here into the fixture, make sure that it's seated within the diameter of the fixture, and then we're going to grab our Allen key and just clamp it down just the same way as the top plate. Alright, so I just tend to tighten it back and forth so that it puts the plate generally in the middle. Okay. So the next step is to close the doors. Once you've tightened the material down in the fixture, then we're going to go to the computer and we're going to press List Program, and we are going to select program number 35, the bottom plate. So I'll navigate to program number 35, and again we have a critical step here, so we have to press Select Program, and you'll see now the star is beside the bottom plate. Then we're going to press Memory and Current Commands. And I haven't run this program, so I'm going to press 5% rapid and single block. Alright, so now I'm going to start navigating through the program to mill the part. So once the part is, or the tool is in the right location, I'm going to turn 5% rapid off and single block. And just again, I'm using cycle start to every single time the code has finished. Alright, so at this point the tool is just above the part. It's located, on the top left-hand part of the disc. So that's where it should be located right before you press 100% rapid and single block. And then finally we'll press cycle start one more time and it'll start running the part.